In this video, we will learn how to edit the customer's profile in just a few simple steps. You can do this in two places, within the customer's profile page or on the customer's list page. Let's dive in. First, you can edit a customer profile directly from the customer list. Click the Edit button in the Actions column. This will open the Edit Customer screen. You can edit information here or go to the customer profile page for further editing. In this video, I'll focus on editing information on the customer profile page. To start, click any customer name to open their profile page. Then, click the Edit button in the Profile field. This opens the Edit Customer screen with 3 tabs containing various fields you can edit. I'll now change the auto pay options. Let's see what happens. Congratulations! We've successfully edited this customer's information. Let's verify it again. Great! The edited value has been updated. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.